Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we will guide step-by-step guide on how to manually set up the Netgear WAX610Y AX1800 Outdoor Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking to expand your wireless coverage outdoors with Wi-Fi 6 performance, this device is the perfect solution. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the WAX610Y access point, a mounting kit, an Ethernet cable, and installation instructions. Make sure you also have a PO injector or a PE-enabled switch, since the WAX610Y uses power over Ethernet. Mount the WAX610Y securely on a wall or pole in a covered outdoor location. Ensure the vents are not blocked and it's positioned for maximum coverage. Use the included mounting hardware and weatherproof the cable connections. Now, use a laptop or smartphone and scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Look for a network name that begins with Netgear and connect to it. No password is required at this stage. Open a browser and enter the default IP address, 192.168.0.100. If that doesn't work, use an IP scanner tool or log into your router to find the device's IP. Use the default login credentials to access the Netgear setup page. Enter admin as the username and password as the password. Be sure to change them later for improved security. Once inside the dashboard, go to the wireless section. Customize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and set a strong password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Enable WPA3 if supported for better security. To verify everything is working, run a speed test and check your coverage area. If needed, fine-tune the placement or adjust antenna angles for optimal performance. If you face any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 1-323-507-3713 for expert guidance and troubleshooting. That's it. Your Netgear WAX610Y AX1800 Outdoor Wi-Fi extender is now up and running. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech setup guides. Thanks for watching.